I'm going to attempt making this clover with these bigger beads and some dark thread. So here we go. I'm picking up, I've laid them out in the order I'm going to pick them up, but I start out with 4. I haven't even knotted my thread or anything. This is just loose thread. So I have 4, and then I'm going to loop this around to make these into a little circle. So I'm just looping it around, going in the first bead that I picked up. So there's my 4 beads, looping around. Here's my first bead that I picked up. Just putting that through and then tightening it. Turns into a little 4 points like that. And I'm even going to try to go in tighter. Let's see if that works. Okay. All right. Did you see how that happened? So now I'm going to pick up a blue bead and put it in between. So here's my thread coming out. Blue bead, and then go into the next one. And then it kind of looks like that. And then you just do that with your other blue beads. No music today, it's kind of quiet. Okay, so here's our first part. And that's how it looks so far. And as I'm going, I'm kind of pulling it together, you know, from both ends. Tighten it, it makes this kind of turns into a little square. Now I'm picking up 2 and threads coming out of a blue bead, picking up 2 and going through a blue bead. Looks a little wonky right now. That's how it looks. Just don't pay any mind to that extra tail coming out. There are 2 beads, thread coming out of a blue bead, go through a blue bead. Here's how it's looking. Same thing all the way around. Okay, and so through the blue bead and through the first one, just to kind of, oops, my needle came off. Okay. So these 2 tails, and I'm kind of holding my work and just tightening it a little bit. So that's how it turned out.